What are you doing, lady?
I'm watching your phone.
I have something for you.
Okay, what is it? Oh, what are these? Oh, are these barefoot hair masks?
Yeah. I got one for you, one for me. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Now? Let's go. Hi everyone. We are the Pink Ladies family. And today we are going to try
Hair masks!
what you have.
We have a flamingo hair mask and we have a unicorn hair mask.
Which one for you, which one for me?
For you the flamingo and for me the unicorn.
Okay, how to use it?
Wash your...
Wait, let me see.
Oh, use your paws to apply hair mask and snap on your unicorn cap.
Wait for 30 seconds and wash it and
No,
dry your
30
hair.
minutes.
Oh, sorry, 30 minutes and wash it
And then
dry it. Let's try now.
Yep.
Let's go. Okay, now we are all washed. We are going to apply this on the hair.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, it's like that.
Hot for you? Smell good?
Ooh, I like the smell. And I can mix my own. I can mix.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the...
Yeah, sort of cream thing.
Oh! Can you help me?
Open the unicorn cup.
I can do it.
Put the cream on your head. Oh, it's very soft.
Can I
I
try?
can feel soft. I can feel your hair. It's very soft.
Okay. Now you do yourself. And
I do my own.
Yeah. Can I do mine like this? Ooh, it is indeed very soft.
Huh?
Ooh. Can I do
1, 2,
some?
3, go.
A unicorn. Okay, my hair is very soft. I need a towel. Very much hair is sticking on. Can I take the towel off?
No, it's different smell. It's this more candy smell. More candy smell.
That smells good. Can I take the towel
Yeah.
off? Okay. Now we need to. I'm gonna put this unicorn thing on. Wait.
I have a flamingo cap.
Can I?
Pink color.
Aw.
Ta-da!
Oh, the other way up. I put it like from behind and then put it.
Okay. It's the same. Ow.
I hope.
Yeah.
Okay, Mama. How do I? Okay, it's going a little bit too big. Mama, it's really fast. It's working a little bit.
Now we need to wait for 30 minutes. What can we do in this 30 minutes?
Play again.
Yeah! All we do selfie.
Oh yes!
Go.
Yay! Yay! A flamingo! I'm a flamingo.
Okay, we are back.
We did our hair, and our hair is very soft now.
Yeah.
Mine is softer than hers.
Yeah.
So the unicorn one works better than the flamingo one.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we both like it. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe our videos.
Leave your comments down below.